Have any advices for people that are kind of stuck in a situationship?
Don't do it.
Don't do it.
Okay guys, dahil malapit na Valentine's.
Let's go around campus, guys. Valentine's is close. What's your status?
Single. Single.
What's your go-to excuse when people ask why you're single?
Study first.
What's the most ridiculous thing you've done just because you were born and single?
Nabaliw na lang ako sa mga celebrity. I watch TikTok edits of people. Sobrang single.
If you had to marry a fictional character, who would it be and why?
Kiefer Watson.
Good choice, guys. Good choice.
Ano ko Disney princess?
Single tayo lahat. We got some roses for you guys.
So here we have Spotify playlist Cauldron. You guys can listen to, you know.
Thank you.
Happy Valentine's. Malapit na ang Valentine's. Kunti pa lang ng Valentine's decoration sa lahat. Valentine's is coming up. What's your status? Single?
Single.
What qualities do you look for in a potential partner? Oh, and sex. Taller or shorter? Same.
Oh, how about you?
I want someone who's really good.
Really good. Very good.
We got a special gift for you guys.
Your roses, guys.
Okay guys, dahil Kenito Walker's tayo, we have to keep walking. Let's go find some other people.
Moving on to cards, guys. Let's go.
Okay guys, we're here in Cad. Let's go find some people.
Hindi naman. Gina ako yun. Really? Yeah. Okay.
Valentine's is coming up. But, what's your status?
Having a baby.
Oh!
Yes. This May.
So you're currently in a relationship?
Yeah, 6 years I'm in a
Congrats guys! I may ask nga pala, if you were to describe your relationship in a movie title.
High school sweethearts na lang. Okay. That's a good choice there.
Is dahil malapit na Valentine's, we have a special gift for you.
This is for your special someone.
Empty ng decoration natin dito. Pakinigin natin yung buong lasal.
This is your sign, red flag, guys.
Guys, red.
Ay, grabe naman, guys. Okay, guys, so sibling or dating? Valentine's is near, guys. What is your sign?
For you, what's the most important thing?
Trust. Okay. Communication. Or some roses for you. This is more important, guys. Full love to you, like, listen to this.
Saan ba kaya pwede?
Ito pwede, madami.
Oo nga po, guys.
Valentine's is coming. Hey guys, what's your relationship? Thank you.
I'm single.
Single. Have you ever been in a situationship before talking stage?
Yes.
Yes. What do you think defines a situationship?
I guess like you stuff that boyfriend and girlfriend, you won't do and then you have like no label.
Do you have any advices for people that are kind of stuck in a situationship?
Don't do it.
Either go in or go out, something like
No,
that.
just go out. Just go anywhere.
Okay, what's a small but meaningful act of love that you really appreciate?
I mean, I guess something basic would be remembering the small things. If someone's particular about a certain thing, and then they wanted this certain thing, like done a certain thing, and then somebody remembers it, and then they just like do it for you. It's just nice, you know.
Because Valentine's is coming soon. Happy Valentine's.
Thank you.
Alam mo, picture lang, pero dahil malapit na Valentine's, what's your status?
Single.
Have you ever been ghosted?
Yeah.
Oh! What would be your advice? Ano hindi mag-ghost? Kasi masakit.
Just acknowledge their feelings, and the person they likes them back, well, that's a positive reaction. But then if the person doesn't feel the same way, then they have to accept it gradually.
Smile for you.
Angat mo na ba?
Yeah.
Dahil Valentine's, we have this special gift for you. Let's all enjoy Valentine's together.
While listening to this playlist.
Ubusan na kami ng tao sa CAD, sabi naman kami sa Velasco. Meron ng ghosted, situationship, relationship. Sobrang daming single, pero talking stage naman.
We need to fill this place with love.
Let's interview.
Since it's Valentine's Day, is your relationship status at our?
Well, talking stage.
How many talking stages?
Natagalan lang. Single.
How long na yung talking stage?
Kaka-meet ko lang kahapon.
Hindi nakabago eh.
Red flag ba yung kausap mo?
Red flag din eh, medyo green flag eh.
Bakit ba?
Christ-like.
Okay.
Nung natin course ka, ba't puro review ka lang eh?
Computer science.
Nako, guys.
Since nakafocus tayo sa self natin ngayon, what's a personal goal that you are working on right now?
Expanding my business.
Business-minded, guys.
Buti na lang may mga playlist tayo na bagay.
Buti pa yung Spotify may label, sana kayo.
Ay.
Ito, review ng review, Komsay. Bagay ito sa kanila, guys.
Guys, since independent, business-minded.
Happy Valentine's, guys. Tara punta tayo SK, guys. The mood na for Valentine's.
Ang ganda ng decorations.
Hindi ako on the mood. Since Valentine's is near, what's your relationship status?
You guys like eating ba?
Very official.
Congrats.
What kind of relationship advice a couple that is starting out?
Communication is key. Very important that your partner is always updated.
You always have to be intentional. Hindi porket, okay, short time na kayo, in love na kayo, hindi na pwede stop na with being intentional with your actions. You always have to be intentional in nothing out of it.
Don't mind me asking pala, did you guys like meet sa Lasal?
Yes, we did.
Ano yung advice mo sa mga Lasalians natin dyan?
Shoot your shot. Life is short. Shoot your shot.
Dahil magpa-Valentine's na tayo. Happy Valentine's.
Di ba?
And habang nag-aantay sila sa bed,
Tama.
you guys can scan this, listen to it. Ilan na lang roses natin?
Ito para sa mag-move on.
Ayun, no, pwede yun. Have you ever experienced moving on?
It's the most important lesson you learn about moving on from something.
Siguro is to respect yourself more.
It's about love yourself more. Love yourself, guys. Happy Valentine's, bro.
Happy Valentine's.
O yung nata lang ng roses natin. Yung tanong, ready na ba kayo sa Valentine's?
Yes, ready na. I'm in love eh. So.
Accepted na eh.
Ikaw, ready ka na ba?
Sa bahay lang ako.
Yung nga guys. So yun nga guys, comment down below where to next. From JLSU to where.
Ganda mo maglakad parang.
Bagong content naman.
Happy Valentine's, guys. Don't
Happy
forget to
Valentine's
listen to
Day.
Spotify's playlist.
Bye-bye.